Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone on the Google Chat. So here, go to the Google Chat by clicking on the chat tab here on your Gmail apps on a phone, and here just click on the plus message icon at the bottom, and then find or type in the emails, the person's email that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this person's right here. For example, just click on the person's emails and click on done. Okay, so you don't actually need to add literally add someone on Google Chat. You can just click on the email's name and then click on that and send them a message, and after that you'll be friends. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.